How can you tell if something is done if you can't take a peek inside while it's actually cooking? When it comes to bread, there are actually a few ways to make sure your lovely loaf is perfectly baked, every time. Method 1. Take the internal temperature. Insert an instant red thermometer into the center of the loaf. Most breads are finished baking at about 190 degrees Fahrenheit. Breads enriched with butter, eggs, or milk are finished when the internal temperature is closer to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Method 2. Tap the bottom. Take the loaf out of the oven and turn it upside down, taking it out of the pan if you're making a sandwich loaf. Give the bottom of the loaf a couple firm taps with your thumb. The bread will sound hollow when it's done. Method 3. Color. The crust should be dry, very firm, and a deep golden brown color, depending on the variety of bread, with darker spots here and there. If the crust is very pale, give it a few more minutes. Recipes usually describe how the bread should look at the end of cooking, so you can use that as a guide until you're more familiar with the loaf. These 3 techniques will ensure that your bread is perfectly baked every time. So the next time you're baking bread, use these methods to confidently check if it's done.